Hey everyone, have you heard about the latest buzz in the world of robots? China just raised the bar by introducing Tiangong, the first fully electric humanoid robot. Let me dive straight into what this means for us, and the future of robots. So, what makes Tiangong so special? Unlike other humanoid robots you might have seen, Tiangong runs entirely on electricity. That's right, no hydraulics, just pure electric power. This is a game changer because it promises smoother movements and more eco-friendly operations compared to its predecessors. Developed by the Beijing Humanoid Robot Innovation Center, established last November, Tiangong is not just any robot, it's the result of collaboration between over 100 robotics companies aiming to create a complete industrial chain for robot components and applications. Imagine an entire ecosystem dedicated to improving and evolving humanoid robots. Now let's talk performance. Tiangong is capable of performing a mind-blowing 550 trillion operations per second. Impressive, right? This level of processing power means it can handle complex tasks, from manufacturing functions to potentially assisting you at home. Yes, a robot butler may not be a sci-fi fantasy for much longer. What's also cool is that Tiangong is open source. This invites developers worldwide to contribute and enhance its capabilities. It's not just a product. It's a platform for innovation, which can accelerate advancements in robotic technology globally. While there are similar robots out there, like Boston Dynamics' new Atlas, Tiangong's commitment to being fully electric and open source sets it apart. This could lead to more sustainable and accessible robotic solutions across various fields, paving the way for a new era where robots could become a regular part of our daily lives. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or just someone curious about the future of technology, Tiangong represents a significant step forward. It's not just about the robot. It's about the possibilities it unlocks for more intelligent, efficient, and interactive robotic applications in the future. Stay tuned as we continue to follow Tiangong's journey and its impact on the world. This could be the start of a whole new chapter in human-robot interaction. Thanks for watching and see you next time.